Very good afternoon. This is Commander Sudhir again, and today I am going to talk about the positivity and what is a good thing which has happened for India. The first of all, I would like to say that the India fight against Corona has been extremely successful, and this had been possible, as I had been talking about it, that unprecedented support of entire Indians, all walk of society, right up to the village, even uneducated people and poor, everyone stood behind Modiji's call in solidarity. And due to this, lockdown 1.0 was extremely successful, and it brought an element of that collectively entire social capital of India got together. They developed an emotional intelligence, collective consciousness, and the age-old practices of India, so that they all are once again united to fight against this coronavirus. Then 2.0 and lockdown 3.0 were announced because India was preparing itself to create enough of facilities, not only fighting COVID-19 but any pandemic even in future, so that nationwide the required infrastructure is available to fight this kind of a pandemic, and so that India remains resilient and Indian people remain resilient anytime throughout life. If lockdowns were not announced, let me share with you that India condition would have not been any different which was there in Western European countries and in USA. It is having 1.4 billion people, and if it was a community spread, if the lockdown was not imposed over there, you can well imagine that near about half the population should have been infected and many would have died. But all these things has been avoided. What happens now? There are certain people, for protecting their vested interest to spread hatred, they are talking about the economic viability of nation. As things under lockdowns are closed, they want that on the name of profits, on the name of survival of economy, they want this. The people should revolt against lockdowns. There are some incidents which has happened, like Tablighi Jamaat was an aberration initially, but India controlled it very competently. Nowadays, the migrant laborers, those are going ahead. Government of India, along with cooperation extended by state governments, has handled this migrant labor problem so competently. Minor incidents are there in a country, which is that definitely it is loss of some lives en route when these migrant laborers were returning to the villages. But by this, we should not spread any negativity inside India, because this is an atmosphere of total positivity, and India is doing so well. This lockdown 4.0 has been announced by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, from the point of view that in another 2 to 3 weeks, India is going to be the most successful nation and is going to be an unprecedented success against Corona-19. But few people are getting desperate, few people are creating a situation of hatred. Even in international media, there are certain people, they don't want that India should become that extremely successful in fight against Corona. But let me tell you, every Indian now understands The popularity of our leader Narendra Modi ji has gone near about 96%. So this is a atmosphere of total positivity. It is a moment of pride for every Indian that we are not only containing the spread of COVID, but side by side we are taking care of India and its people in every walk of life economically. The massive package which has been announced by Government of India worth 20 lakh crore rupees is not only massive, it is adequate and it is taking care of every person right up to the villages, right up to the last mile, catering extra money, double the money in Manrega schemes, and then free ration is going to near about 60 to 70 crore population of India. 3 LPG cylinders are being given to near about 9 crore poor families. This is the way that India will bounce back economically once we establish our success against COVID-19. My dear fellow Indians, be confident, remain as united and have resolve, and no fear should touch you, that you must have that pride. Indians have immense amount of immunity. The Indians have collective wisdom, collective consciousness, and that extra emotional intelligence that we will not only fight against Corona-19, but we will revive our economy by producing local, consuming local, and then we'll take this local to the global, we'll create global brands. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.